Question 19. The diagram shows a human kidney and its blood vessels. Which row correctly compares the blood in vessel Q with the blood in vessel P? Vessel P is the blood vessel that is going towards the kidney, and we call this an artery, specifically the renal artery, since the organ that we're talking about is the kidney, and Q will be the renal vein. The renal artery is coming from the heart towards the kidney, while the vein is going towards the heart. Cells in the artery is going to need to respire, so they require oxygen gas, glucose, and other nutrients that are required for these cells to respire or to survive. The renal vein will hence transport waste products like carbon dioxide, which are produced by these cells in the kidney. Therefore, blood in vessel Q, for the percentage carbon dioxide, it should be higher than that of P, because Q is the vein that is transporting waste products away from this organ and back to the heart for excretion. Therefore, the percentage of CO2 should be more than in P. The percentage water comparing between P and Q should have lesser water because the role of the kidney is to filter blood, and in filtration of the blood, some of the water would have been filtered out and lost into the ureter. That's why P should have more water than Q, because a portion of the water that was coming in from P was filtered out and lost via the ureter. So Q must have less water in terms of percentage. The percentage glucose in P and Q will require us to determine what is the total amount of blood that is leaving Q compared to entering from P. We know that glucose is filtered but reabsorbed. This means that there should be no glucose that is exiting the kidney via the ureter. So the amount of glucose that enters via P is going to be equivalent to the amount of glucose that is coming out of Q. But since Q now has lesser water, this will make the glucose more concentrated, and hence the percentage or the concentration of glucose will be much higher in Q. Therefore, option D will be the correct answer.